Hello everyone, this is English Tutor Hub official channel and welcome back to our English lesson where learning English feels like art. And today we shall be looking at a complete guide to using whose vs whose. Let's get started. Whose versus whose, which to use? Short answer, whose is a possessive adjective or pronoun used to show ownership and possession either in interrogative sentences or relative clauses, whereas whose is the contracted form of who is or who has, which also is used in interrogative sentences or relative clauses. So the best trick to remember whether to use whose or whose is this. Use whose if you want to show that something belongs to someone or something, and use whose when you want to ask a question about who is doing or has done something. Wait a minute, you must know the difference between whose and whose, when to use whose versus whose, and example sentences with clear explanation in order to be sure about what to use in a given situation. So, give it a full watch to learn the meaning, rules, tricks, and differences between whose and whose. This video covers whose vs whose definition and meaning, when to use whose vs whose, examples of whose and whose vs whose, frequently asked questions about whose vs whose vs whose, a detailed note, how to use whose. Do you know the possessive adjectives? His, her, your? Yes, you must be aware of them. What are these called? Possessive adjectives. If yes, then you got it right. What do these words do? They show ownership or possession, right? You're going right. Just as the above-mentioned possessive adjectives, his, her, or your, whose is a possessive adjective or pronoun, and its main function is to show ownership or possession. That is, the possessive adjective or pronoun whose is used in interrogative sentences or relative clauses to indicate that someone owns something or something belongs to someone. 3 uses of whose. Whose is used the following 3 ways. 1. As a possessive adjective. 2. As a possessive pronoun. 3. As a relative pronoun. Look at the below given examples containing whose. 1. Whose car is this? 2. Whose is this car? 3. The boy whose name is John is my friend. Example 1 contains the possessive adjective whose, which is used in an interrogative sentence by the use of which the questioner wants to know the person who this car belongs to. So the question, whose car is this, means who does this car belongs to? Who is the owner of this car? Example 2 contains whose, which is used as a possessive pronoun, which also shows possession or ownership. So, whose is this car? Also means who is the owner of this car? Example 3 also contains the possessive adjective whose, which is used in the highlighted relative clause. The use of whose in example 3 is to introduce the highlighted relative clause by showing possession. So the expression whose name is John means the person who owns the name John. Note that if a noun is used immediately after whose, then this whose will be called possessive adjective, as in, whose car is this? And if no noun is used after whose, then whose will be known as possessive pronoun, as in, whose is this car? Also note that the possessive adjective whose is the possessive form of who, like his is the possessive form of he. How to use who? You must be aware of the contractions such as his, your, or she's, aren't you? Yes, you are. When you expand the contractions, you come to know that his is the contracted form of he is, your is of you are, and she's is of she is. In a similar fashion, whose is the contracted form of either who is, as in who's there in the room, or who has, as in who's done this. Here are a few examples of whose. 1. Who's there at the door? 2. Who's done this? Example 1 contains whose, which is the contracted form of who is. Here, who acts as the subject of the linking verb is. Example 2 contains whose, which is the contracted form of who has. Here, who acts as the subject of the auxiliary verb has. Now that you've understood how the two words whose and whose are used in sentences, you must be coming up with a question. What is basically the difference between whose and whose? Continue to watch to know the differences between whose and whose covered in the following portions of the video. What's the difference between whose and whose? No doubt that the two words whose and whose are similar in that they are WH question words. However, the two words are different from each other. The major differences between whose and whose are this. Difference 1. The main difference between whose and whose is that whose is used to indicate ownership or possession, whereas whose isn't. For example, blank laptop. Are you buying the charger for? Whose or whose? You can see we can use whose, who is, or has in the above mentioned example because we want to express ownership. To indicate ownership, we use whose, not whose. Also, look at the below given example. For example, blank there at the door? Whose or whose? You can use whose in that example above because our intention here is not to show possession, but rather to use the contracted form who is. To do so, we have to use the contracted form whose and not whose. You can see we can use whose, who is or has in the above mentioned example because we want to express ownership. To indicate ownership, we use whose, not whose. Also, look at the below given example. For example, blank there at the door, whose or whose? You can't use whose in the example above because our intention here is not to show possession, but rather to use the contracted form who is. To do so, we have to use the contracted form whose and not whose. Difference 3. The third difference between whose and whose is that whose can be used as both a possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, whereas who in whose is used as interrogative pronoun. Example of whose as possessive adjective. Whose laptop are you using? This example uses the word whose as possessive adjective because we can see that a noun is immediately used after the word whose. Example of whose as possessive pronoun. Whose is this pen? This example uses the word whose as a possessive pronoun because there's no noun immediately after the word whose. Whose vs whose exercises. Select the appropriate option put against the sentences given below. 1. Blank is this expensive car? Whose or whose? 2. Blank boy, does this car belong to? Whose or whose? 3. Blank coming to teach you now? Whose or whose? 4. Blank there waiting for you? Whose or whose? 5. Blank is this pen? Whose or whose? Frequently asked questions. Whose versus whose? Whose versus whom? Whose is a possessive adjective or pronoun used to show possession, whereas whose is a contraction form, is a contraction of who is or who has, whereas whom is an object pronoun. In simple language, whose and whom are the two which are derived from the word who in whose. Who is a subject pronoun, whom an object pronoun, and whose a possessive pronoun or adjective. Whose vs whose examples and sentences. Number 1, who's next? 2, whose brother have you talked to? 3, who's done this all? 4, whose bike is this? 5, who's coming now? 6, whose laptop are you looking for? 7, whose is this book? 8, who's coming with us? 9, whose father's name is John? When to use whose vs whose. the time or situation to use whose and whose is this. Use whose when you want to express ownership, as in, whose car is this? And use whose when you contract the subject and verb in who is or who has. As, whose as in, who's coming now? Is whose a possessive adjective? Yes. Whose is a possessive adjective used before a noun as in, whose phone is this? Is whose a possessive pronoun? Yes. Whose can also be used as possessive pronoun as in, whose is this car? So, there you go guys. This video ends here about a complete guide to using whose versus whose. Thanks for watching.